Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to find a nearby store on the Lidl application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then tap on the search icon that you can find in the upper left corner of the screen. Now tap on this box at the top of the screen. So now you will be directed to your phone's settings, and here at this page you need to allow the app to access your location by tapping on the location button. Now you need to select from these three options. Tap on the last one, thereby allowing location access while you are using the application. So now if you go back to the application, the app will find your exact location so that you can find a shop nearby. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.